Hey there, Dave here. We've just arrived at Staniel Cay, and so has the rain.
Our first impression of Staniel might have been soggy.
It is pouring down rain. But you know what? If it's gonna rain, I can't think of a better place to be.
You can't beat the vibe at the Staniel Cay Yacht Club on a rainy day. I mean, what else is there to do?
That means shot time.
Shots, 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 shots. Everybody!
Coming up, swimming with sharks and pigs and drinking lots of chi-chis. Staniel Cay is around 120 kilometers from Nassau, just 400 kilometers southeast of Florida. Compared to Highborn, Staniel is a real bustling metropolis. I mean, there are 2 competing grocery stores after all, along with a few restaurants and an airport. But don't let that fool you. Staniel has maintained its Bohemian island vibe, but it's the Staniel Cay Yacht Club that really put this island on the map when it was founded in 1956. And Staniel has lots of activities.
Where are we headed?
Thunderball Grotto.
Thunderball Grotto. Love going to Thunderball Grotto. I've never been to Thunderball Grotto. Here we go.
Thunderball Grotto got its name after being the setting for the James Bond film Thunderball.
Ravishing redheads, bronze brunettes, honey blondes, the Bond women, 007 style.
I think you got the point.
It was a different time.
There's such a cross current, you cannot possibly do this without fins. But some pretty good fish down there. I have to keep reminding myself I don't really like snorkeling that much. That was just about all the snorkeling I needed. Let's go see some pigs. Well, we've made it to what we like to call Pig Island. This is wild.
There's signs over there that says, beware of Big Momma Karma, because like karma, she will bite your butt.
We're going to go look for Big Momma Karma. Hello, my pig friend. Little insider tip here. This is a Peanut-colada. Don't ask questions, just try it. It's pretty good.
Who's the shark whisperer?
I'm the shark whisperer. After day drinking all day, it seems like a great idea to go pet these sharks.
Go for it.
That's where they were eating.
This is where they expect to eat. I'm going all the way in. That was incredible. I pet a shark.
Sharky McShark face.
Dave here on a nature hike through that wilderness to get to this beach. I'm just hoping these plants aren't poisonous. Are we close? I think we found our way to the ocean.
Because who's the best tour guide?
Obviously.
Me.
Every great adventure ends right back here for a Peanut-colada. We've arrived at what apparently is called Mother Nature's swimming pool. It's nice and warm. Check out this water. If you follow Sailor or Carson on YouTube, you probably already know about the Bohemian Ninja Crabs.
It's like a remix of American Ninja Warrior. What we do is we dig a deep hole and we put a bunch of hermit crabs in it. And we try to watch them try to climb out of the hole. It's so funny to watch.
Oh, it's awesome. They keep falling back in.
We're going swimming with sharks at Staniel Cay.
Be sure you subscribe to see the next one. And until the next time, I'm Dave Hansen. Thanks so much for watching. Ow, ow, ow. I have to start over. Ow, 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 ow. I need some $10 water shoes.